超级马里欧兄弟
The Super Mario Brothers movie. Mario and Luigi are brothers who started a plumbing business in Brooklyn.
马里欧与路易吉这对兄弟在布鲁克林创业，开了一间水电维修公司。
Mario and Luigi are brothers who started a plumbing business in Brooklyn. They made a cheesy commercial, only to be mocked by their former boss, Spike.
他们拍了一支超土气的广告，却被前老板钉子工头无情嘲笑。
They made a cheesy commercial, only to be mocked by their former boss, Spike. To save Brooklyn from a massive flood, the brothers went deep into the underground sewers.
为了拯救布鲁克林的大淹水，两兄弟深入的下管线。
To save Brooklyn from a massive flood, the brothers went deep into the underground sewers. They accidentally discovered a mysterious, glowing green pipe.
他们意外发现了一根发出绿光的神秘水管。
They accidentally discovered a mysterious, glowing green pipe. During the transport, Mario and Luigi were forced apart.
在传送过程中，马里欧与路易吉被迫分开。
During the transport, Mario and Luigi were forced apart. Mario landed in the colorful Mushroom Kingdom.
马里欧掉进了色彩缤纷的蘑菇王国。
Mario landed in the colorful Mushroom Kingdom. Luigi fell into the spooky dark lands and was immediately captured by Bowser's minions.
路易吉则掉进了阴森恐怖的黑暗世界，随即被库巴的手下抓走。
Luigi fell into the spooky dark lands and was immediately captured by Bowser's minions. The evil King Bowser obtained the Superstar to destroy the Mushroom Kingdom.
库巴大魔王取得无敌星星，打算用它摧毁蘑菇王国。
The evil King Bowser obtained the Superstar to destroy the Mushroom Kingdom. Bowser's true goal was to force Princess Peach to marry him.
库巴真正的目的是想强迫碧姬公主与他结婚。
Bowser's true goal was to force Princess Peach to marry him. Mario met an enthusiastic Toad, who led him to the castle.
马里欧遇到了热情的奇诺比奥，带领他前往城堡。
Mario met an enthusiastic Toad, who led him to the castle. Princess Peach is not a damsel in distress, but a capable leader.
碧姬公主并非柔弱女子，而是个身手不凡的领导者。
Princess Peach is not a damsel in distress, but a capable leader. To save his brother, Mario had to pass a Packer training course set by the princess.
马里欧为了救弟弟，必须通过碧姬公主设置的跑酷特训。
To save his brother, Mario had to pass a Packer training course set by the princess. After countless failures, Mario finally mastered jumping and dodging skills.
经过无数次失败，马里欧终于掌握了跳跃与闪避技巧。
After countless failures, Mario finally mastered jumping and dodging skills. To fight Bowser, Peach decided to seek help from the Con Army in the Jungle Kingdom.
为了对抗库巴，碧姬决定前往丛林王国寻求金刚一族的支援。
To fight Bowser, Peach decided to seek help from the Con Army in the Jungle Kingdom. The King of the Jungle Kingdom set a condition. Mario must defeat his son.
丛林王国的国王开出条件，马里欧必须击败他的儿子。
The King of the Jungle Kingdom set a condition. Mario must defeat his son. Mario faced the arrogant but powerful Donkey Kong in the arena.
马里欧在竞技场对上自大但强大的大金刚。
Mario faced the arrogant but powerful Donkey Kong in the arena. Mario used the cat suit to win the fight with his agility.
马里欧吃下猫咪装备，以灵活的身手赢得了比赛。
Mario used the cat suit to win the fight with his agility. The Allied forces decided to form a cart army to launch a surprise attack on Bowser.
两国联军决定组成赛车军团，抄近路突袭库巴。
The Allied forces decided to form a cart army to launch a surprise attack on Bowser. They engaged in a thrilling high-speed chase on the famous Rainbow Road.
他们在著名的彩虹之路上展开激烈的飙车追逐战。
They engaged in a thrilling high-speed chase on the famous Rainbow Road. Bowser's army launched a blue shell attack, causing the track to collapse.
库巴军团发动蓝色龟壳攻击，导致赛道崩塌。马里欧与大金刚坠入深海。
Bowser's army launched a blue shell attack, causing the track to collapse. Bowser arrived at the Mushroom Kingdom, threatening to execute Toads if Peach didn't marry him.
库巴抵达蘑菇王国， 威胁碧姬公主如果不结婚就处死奇诺比奥。
Bowser arrived at the Mushroom Kingdom, threatening to execute Toads if Peach didn't marry him. Peach pretended to agree to the wedding but hid an ice flower under her dress.
碧姬假装答应婚礼，实则在礼服下藏了冰冻花。
Peach pretended to agree to the wedding but hid an ice flower under her dress. At the wedding ceremony, Peach instantly froze Bowser.
婚礼现场，碧姬瞬间冰冻了库巴。
At the wedding ceremony, Peach instantly froze Bowser. Meanwhile, Mario and Donkey Kong escaped from a sea monster and arrived just in time.
与此同时，马里欧与大金刚从海中怪兽口中逃生，及时赶回现场。
Meanwhile, Mario and Donkey Kong escaped from a sea monster and arrived just in time. In the chaos, Bowser launched a banzai bill to destroy the kingdom.
混战中，库巴发射了炸弹黑企图摧毁王国。
In the chaos, Bowser launched a banzai bill to destroy the kingdom. Mario successfully diverted the bomb into the warp pipe, causing the worlds to merge.
马里欧成功诱导炸弹进入传送水管，却导致两个世界产生重叠。
Mario successfully diverted the bomb into the warp pipe, causing the worlds to merge. The battlefield shifted to the streets of Brooklyn, where Mario was beaten by Bowser.
战场转移到布鲁克林的街头，马里欧在家人面前被库巴痛扁。
The battlefield shifted to the streets of Brooklyn, where Mario was beaten by Bowser. At the last second, Mario and Luigi touched the superstar together.
在最后一刻，马里欧与路易吉共同触碰了无敌星星。
At the last second, Mario and Luigi touched the superstar together. With the power of invincibility, the brothers defeated Bowser with a flashy combo.
拥有无敌状态的兄弟俩使出华丽连打，彻底击退库巴。
With the power of invincibility, the brothers defeated Bowser with a flashy combo. Bowser was shrunk and imprisoned, and the brothers became heroes of both worlds.
库巴被缩小后关进笼子，两兄弟成了布鲁克林与蘑菇王国的大英雄鹰。
Bowser was shrunk and imprisoned, and the brothers became heroes of both worlds.